Welcome to Supercars TV 99. Imagine the guttural snarl of a naturally aspirated V12 colliding with the presence of a supercar so wide it seems to defy the very lanes it owns. This is not merely a vehicle, this is the automotive equivalent of a tailored Italian suit stretched over the rippling muscles of a thoroughbred. What you are looking at is the 2026 Ferrari Purosangue Esteso by Novitec. A machine that takes Maranello's most controversial creation and dials every single element past 11. If you thought the standard Purosangue was a statement, wait until you see how Novitec has reimagined the laws of proportion. Starting at the front, the Esteso commands immediate and unyielding respect. Novitec has stripped away any pretense of subtlety, replacing the factory components with a naked carbon fiber front apron that features larger air intakes, designed not just for aggressive aesthetics but to channel cool air directly into the heart of that 6.5-liter V12. The hood is a sculpted piece of visible carbon, and the stance is made infinitely more menacing by a set of exposed carbon fiber air ducts behind the front wheels. Moving to the side, the Esteso, meaning extended, name becomes reality. Novitec has fitted bespoke, bolted-on wheel arch extensions that widen the track by several inches, allowing for the installation of massive, forged Vossen wheels typically sized at 22 inches up front and 23 at the rear. These are wrapped in high-performance tires, and the entire body sits lowered on a sophisticated suspension module that brings the SUV closer to the tarmac, eliminating body roll and giving it the silhouette of a sports car that happens to have 4 doors. Slipping inside, the cabin remains a sanctuary of pure Italian luxury, but with the added touch of personalization that Novitec offers. The interior is swathed in the finest leather and Alcantara, with optional carbon fiber accents that match the exterior's aggression. Every surface you touch, from the steering wheel to the sculpted seats, speaks of handcrafted precision. The Purosangue has always been about the fusion of performance and utility, and the Esteso retains the 4 individual bucket seats, ensuring that every passenger feels like a VIP, cocooned in a space that is both technologically advanced and emotionally stirring. Moving around to the back, the design crescendo hits its peak. A prominent, exposed carbon fiber rear diffuser houses the quad exhaust tipser, which Novitec also offers with a valve-controlled sound upgrade that turns the V12's symphony into a full-blown opera. Above, a subtle roof spoiler and a tailgate-mounted lip work in concert to keep this beast planted at triple-digit speeds. The rear fascia is wider, more aggressive, and visually lowers the vehicle's center of gravity, making it look like it's accelerating even while standing still. Underneath all this carbon fiber lies the same 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12, producing 715 horsepower in stock form, though Novitec often offers performance upgrades that push the torque curve higher. While the raw figures of 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 3 seconds remain, the real story is the mileage, and not that anyone buying a V12 Ferrari is counting, but expect the EPA estimates to hover around 12 miles per gallon city and 16 miles per gallon highway, a small price to pay for one of the last naturally aspirated 12-cylinder engines in production. As for the price, the standard Ferrari Purosangue starts near $400,000, but with the Novitec Esteso treatment, including the carbon fiber bodywork, bespoke wheels, and suspension modifications, you are looking at an all-in price easily exceeding $550,000 to $600,000, depending on the spec. This is not just an SUV, it is a declaration that practicality does not have to come at the expense of passion. It is the definitive 4-door Ferrari, made even more definitive by the masters of aftermarket refinement. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the wild world of Novitec and want to see more exclusive supercar builds, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel so you never miss a reveal, and drop a comment below. Let us know, would you take this Esteso over the standard Purosangue, or is it too extreme even for a Ferrari?